Many of our athletes that come to us actually come specifically because we are very much athletic minded. And so sports recovery is very important for us. Whether you are a professional athlete or you're a weekend warrior or more of a hobbyist, we think that it's a really important focus for your recovery and actually improves your results. Our general guidelines is that you can resume sports activity when it comes to cardio in about a week after surgery. And you're starting around 25% of your normal baseline activity. Each subsequent week, you could add around 25% of additional activity into that, or additional force into your cardio routine. So the first week is 25%, then 50%, then 75%, then 100%. Now, when it comes to weightlifting, you want to wait around 2 weeks before you go in the gym to start lifting weights. And you're starting relatively light weights, maxing out at anywhere from 10 to 20 pounds. You're mostly going through the motions. And you're gradually increasing your weightlifting between week 2 to week 4 to 6.